Hey guys, it's finally that time of the year when we get to play around with pumpkins. I hope you love them because in the next few weeks, we'll be making everything pumpkin. This series will have a bunch of pumpkin related recipes that you love, so stay tuned. Today, we'll be making pumpkin bread, and for this recipe, we'll need 3/4 of a cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a cup of pumpkin puree, 1/4 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of cane sugar, 1/8 of a cup of butter, 1 egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. If you don't have pumpkin spice at home, that's absolutely fine. You can substitute it with 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, cinnamon, and ground ginger. For those of you who are here for the first time, welcome and make sure to subscribe. I upload easy, affordable, and delicious recipes on this channel on a weekly basis. So in a large bowl, we'll mix in all our dry ingredients. That is our flour, baking soda, pumpkin spice, salt, and cane sugar. Go ahead and whisk them all together until everything comes together. And then in a separate bowl, we'll mix in our milk, butter, and this butter will have been melted in the microwave, eggs, vanilla, and pumpkin puree, and we'll mix them until they're well combined. After this, we'll pour all our wet ingredients into our dry ingredients and we'll mix them until we get a fine butter. In my case, I like to make mini pumpkin loaves and my containers are really tiny, but just go ahead and use whatever loaf pan you have and you can either use some parchment paper or dust it with some flour. You'll also need to preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, and then you can transfer your butter mixture into the loaf pan. And once in the oven, you can cook the loaf for 35 minutes. So this is what my loaf looks like after the 35 minutes. I don't think I've ever made pumpkin bread that's just so delicious and so soft, and it smells so good and tastes like $1,000,000. I hope you enjoyed this and I really hope you try this recipe. If you love pumpkin and want to try some other delicious recipes, stay tuned for my pumpkin series. Once again, thank you so much for stopping by. Until next time, ciao.